Hi guys, hope you are well. Today I'm going to make me bhuna. So let's start with the ingredients up written on every single thing wherever you need. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get the pot, put it on the cooker, start the cooker and start cooking. Right, pot goes up, water goes in. So I've got this jug. I've added 2 jugs full. When the water gets a little bit warm, you're gonna add your meat. Once all the meat goes inside, we're gonna cook the meat on warm water till the meat changes the color. As you can see now the meat changed the color. What we're going to do now, we're gonna add the onions, tomatoes and all the ingredients that needs to go inside. So we're gonna start with the tomatoes. Tomato goes in, onions go in, right, add your flavors, the chili, turmeric, etc. That's all goes in. Right, your ginger paste, garlic paste, that's gonna go in as well. Once you add everything, you're gonna give it a good mix. We're going to put the lid on a high flame for roughly about 1 hour to 1 hour and 20 minutes. After about 1 hour and 10 minutes, as you can see, all the water dried out now. What we're going to do now is we're going to add the desi ghee. So if you haven't got desi ghee, you can add oil as well. So that's gonna go up to your own taste. I've got desi ghee roughly about 1 cup. So we're going to cook the meat on desi ghee with desi ghee roughly about 10 to 12 minutes to 15 minutes till the till you see the oil comes up. Right, we're going to add the chilies in as well now. I've got 2 green chilies. You can add it to your own flavor, maybe 2, 3, 4, no more than 4. That's gonna go in. We're gonna cook the chilies in there for about 3 minutes. Right, after that we're going to add the garam masala. So that's like 1 teaspoon garam masala. That's gonna go inside. We're gonna give it a good stir. There you go, guys. Turn the gas off. Sparkle some, fresh coriander on top of curry. Get the lid on for 2 minutes. Take the lid off. There you go, guys. Your mee bhuna is ready. Let's put that on the plate. There you go, guys. That's all today. I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully, you lot take care. I'll see you soon.